The Creality Hi Combo 3D printer stands out with its ability to print in 16 colors, allowing for vibrant creations and the use of multiple materials such as PLA, PETG, and ABS. Its smart filament management system, featuring auto RFID detection, ensures that your prints are always of the highest quality by managing filament type and color effectively. With an industrial-grade motion system, the printer achieves impressive speeds up to 500 millimeters per second, while maintaining precision with its all-metal frame and linear rails. The printer offers a professional-level automated calibration process, making setup easy and efficient, thanks to its 95% pre-assembled design and user-friendly interface. A complete smart ecosystem is integrated within this printer, offering remote monitoring through Creality Cloud and seamless connectivity via Wi-Fi, LAN, and USB. Its built-in webcam allows for convenient time-lapse creation, ensuring you can capture and review your 3D printing projects with ease and privacy.